What's up guys? In this video I thought I'd show the entire process from start to finish on making a espresso coffee in the morning. In other videos I've covered individual steps of this process, but I want to show how long the entire process starts. So I've already put coffee beans in the hopper, water in the back, so we are now ready to grind some coffee beans. That loading bar. Grab the tamper. And then while the coffee is making, I'll typically get my creamer ready. I usually fill this like above that third line for latte. While that's going, you can get the froth started. So all four of these first ones are heat, this last one's cold. I like mine to be the most froth and still hot. So we'll go ahead and start the froth. So while that was finishing up, I was able to go ahead and get this started. This rises quite a bit, so I filled it to down here, and now it's pretty close to the top. I'm doing a quad shot with this. Alright, so you're now ready to pour your froth creamer in your espresso for that latte. Good to go. All right, one thing I forgot to mention. So right now it's like all the froth creamer is like mixed together, but here very shortly, I'm gonna skip to that here in a second, but here very shortly, you're gonna see how much froth it has as it starts to separate. Okay, so here's what we have as a final result of like maximum froth, basically whipped cream. We have about 50-60% latte, and the creamer turned to about 30 or 35%, basically whipped cream. This is like the best frother on any coffee machine I've ever had. Look at that. If you like a lot of whipped cream, this is for you. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions or if you want to check out some of my other videos in the series, I've literally covered, I'm pretty sure, every single step in the process of prepping, setting up, maintenance on this coffee maker. So yeah, check those out, and if you have any questions, comment below. Have a good day. Look at the froth. Perfect.